Econolite, saving lives through improved mobility. When most people think of Hawaii, they think of the sandy beaches, rolling waves, and swaying palm trees. But on the island of Oahu, there's something else happening: the next generation of cutting-edge, advanced intelligent transportation systems and connected vehicle operations. We live in a connected world, and technology is converging to reveal new capabilities to more effectively manage our transportation systems, improve public safety, and include all roadway users in new, meaningful ways. Econolite, the leader in one-stop-shop traffic management solutions, is proud to partner with the University of Hawaii and Hawaii Department of Transportation to fully embrace this convergence of technology, explore the possibilities, earn immediate and meaningful operational value, as well as set the stage for future connected deployments and create a platform for academic research.
So this project, we wanted to make sure we push forward on mobility for everybody. We wanted to ensure that we push more dependability on one of our busiest corridors in the state. Nimitz Highway that turns into Ala Moana Boulevard. We service 50,000 vehicles per day on a system where we know we have visitors coming through from the airport going to Waikiki. We have our residents coming through to who work in town. And we have our freight corridor because our harbors are all on this system here. We wanted to make sure that we could make this as efficient as possible, not only for the drivers, but also for the pedestrians and the bicyclists that use it. So knowing that anytime we need to make a change to the corridor on the signalization, we have to come through with a survey, come through with our manual operations to ensure that we change all the signals and then test it again. In general, it's about a year before we get any noticeable change. This system right now, this project, is going to revolutionize that for us. It's going to make sure that we can adjust to the needs of the system immediately.
There are several goals that we want to achieve through this project. So one of them is we wanted to answer several research questions regarding the traffic transportation system in general. For example, the whole system is really advanced, the state-of-the-art, the best system in the world. We wanted to see how we can best optimize the system that will benefit, that will realize its full potential and will benefit all different kinds of modes of transportation in Hawaii.
Yeah, so our main goal for this project was basically to have a more efficient system, to be able to have traffic flow more efficiently and have less backup, to reduce people's time in traffic. Another thing that another goal of ours actually was to start getting ready for connected autonomous vehicles. We know the technology, it's in its infancy right now, but our guess is that about within the next 10 years it should be here, and we want to be ready for that. Because it's one thing to have your system trying to react to the traffic. It's another thing to have the system and the traffic itself, the cars themselves, adding to the solution. So we want to be ready for that when that technology comes.
For us, the biggest challenge is our operations. We own our signals, we own our system, but it's managed by the city. So making sure that we make adjustments to our system that meet all the needs of both the city and the state is a challenge. We want to make sure that we get over these operational challenges as much as possible. In general, there's never going to be a solution that everybody agrees to. So it's always best to pilot something out. When we look at Nimitz Highway, this corridor is perfect for us. It's 34 signals that service a lot of different traffic. So we push that through to ensure we can test how our operations will adjust with this type of system. Adaptive signal technology is not new, but it's not easy. Making sure that we can adjust to it quickly and make sure that the public can understand it, tremendous. Making sure that two agencies, the state and the city, even harder. So we're going to work through this to make sure that our operations can absorb this, because we still got to work on the other 800 signals that are on Oahu and the other 300 signals that are on the neighbor islands. We intend to push this forward to ensure that we can manage this in the best way, in the best interest of the public immediately. So this pilot project will give us that operational adjustment to ensure that we can adjust to this type of system everywhere throughout the state.
My challenges are to
to maintain these signals from a maintenance standpoint.
Decided to get involved in this project.
The biggest challenge, I think, is because of the complexity of the project. It involves all kinds of agencies, ranging from state, federal governments, and higher education institutions, local subcontractors, and private sectors. I think the biggest challenge lies in the navigating the different systems to make things happen. I realized that actually through strong teamwork with Econolite and other supporting agencies, we were able to achieve it in the timely manner. We have done it, so it's doable. I think really teamwork is important, through which we can almost achieve anything.
I've really enjoyed working with the university department. The vast majority of the work had to be accomplished in 6 months, and we were able to complete that. But moreover, the impact we've been able to make in the street is delivering value today and will have a long-term positive impact on the island for many years to come. In addition to the new ATC controllers, we've been able to install over 720 detection zones in just a few weeks. And ATMS is fully operational, providing command and control. Adaptive algorithms are making timing recommendations to optimize traffic flow. We've done this using cybersecurity devices and have installed dual CV2X and DSRC radios. And we've been able to do this using a commercially viable CV application that is readily available in your app stores.
As you can see, we are on Nimitz corridor, and we are looking into some of the cabinet things that we have installed. So we have a unit that is monitoring all of the cabinet inputs and outputs, both analog and digital, and it's connecting directly to the roadside unit, which is providing both DSRC as well as CV2X communication with the vehicles and with our free phone app that's downloadable on the App Store.
The Nimitz project was very challenging. It had a very tight schedule. And we were deploying technologies that we had deployed all across the country, all in one spot in a very tight time frame. Now, fortunately, we had some great partners in the University of Hawaii and the Hawaii Department of Transportation. The team was focused on delivering this project in time for Western IT, and I'm really proud of the fact that they pulled all that together. They really worked collaboratively together, and we got a great product to show for.
This solution, the system that we have here, that combines so many different types of technology. Adaptive signal technology, the AI platforms that provide more connectivity to all of our drivers, pedestrians, and bicyclists. There's several things for us. First, it's going to give us that mobility throughout the corridor that we're looking for. We're looking for more green time for our drivers. We're looking to make sure that we keep our pedestrians and bicyclists safer. This is going to give that to us, definitely. More importantly though, this is going to show the public and the legislators that we have here that there's better ways for us to take care of our capacity. There's no way we're going to build ourselves out of congestion. Not in any time soon. Not with the resources that we have and not with the limited land that we have. Showing this type of technology and showing this type of system on this corridor will give everybody a better idea of how we can better serve the public for a lot cheaper and a lot more efficient. This system got put in place in 6 months. If we built the same capacity improvements that we wanted to on H1, it'll cost us about $100 million and it'll take us another 2 years. It's a very quick solution that we know that we can get the improvements on very quickly and very cost efficient. So it's going to be a mindset change. It's going to be a cultural shift for us at the department and the public, all based on this project.
This project has actually been a godsend for us. You know, it's made us realize that we do have that capability, that especially with this software and these hardware upgrades, that it's not something beyond our reach, and our partnership with the UH and Econolite has really helped us a lot in that regard.
At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what hardware or software is used. If it doesn't reduce travel time, fuel consumptions, and carbon emissions while simultaneously increasing safety, the work we do would be irrelevant. These outcomes are what matters, and this is what we come to work to deliver.
At Econolite, our mission is saving lives through improved mobility. The Nimitz project is a perfect example of that. we were able to take the technology that we have developed and deployed across the country into one central spot, primarily focused on improving the mobility of the traffic going through and the mobility of the people walking around. At the end of the day, this is a project we can all be proud of, and we are very thankful for our partners at the University of Hawaii and the Hawaii Department of Transportation, and we look forward to doing more with them in the future.
Econolite provides such a top-notch, best product solution to the problem we're addressing. I'm really happy working with Econolite from day one. They submitted the best proposal, provided the best solution to our problem. And also, as a for-profit entity, I'm amazed that Econolite has been reaching out to look for solutions that only benefits the customer.
As you can see, the technology being employed here by Econolite in Honolulu in partnership with the University of Hawaii and Hawaii DOT is paving the way for a safer, smarter, and more efficient future for Hawaii's citizens and visitors. The solutions in action today and our approach to partnering with the university and HDOT to create an operational and a research platform truly make this project the most technologically advanced, connected system in the country. Econolite, saving lives through improved mobility.